In this episode of creating resources, before we get into what we actually want to do, I wanted to show you that as you create resources, it will chronologically put them down this way. But if you want to reorder it, you can simply click on a resource and you can drag it and reorder the way you want it to look. So if you want, I want this one to be first because it's the first one that we are looking at, then how to create content pages, and then there's my 2 example pages in there. So you can just easily navigate like that. Now I want to add another piece. Now I can go up here and I can, I can add from materials directly here. But you'll see as I hover here, there's a little space. So I want to add a source in between here. So if I click here, same thing pops up. Now I want to add a discussion for my students. So this is how we do those. Should have turned my email off before I made this. Okay, so this is a discussion, and we're going to call it, since we spoke about pizza, does pineapple belong on pizza? All right, it's going to be to all my sections, and I want to put a due date onto this. So we're going to add the due date for, let's say over there, and I can set the time to be at, let's make it at 11 a.m. All right, and that's it. I can add files, and maybe we can add some content into the space as well. So let me see if I can add a picture. Click on attach file. There's a pineapple. Click open, and it'll put it in there. Now this window is a little bit small, so you could it's not ideal, but it's just a discussion. So let's then click on create. And there is our discussion. If you click on this, it will open. There's our lovely pineapple, and students will be able to write comments on there. You can navigate between your classes to see how different classes have commented on your discussion. If I want to go up here, let's just see previous and next. I want to go to the previous one, was how to create content pages. You can also navigate between these using your navigation bars, or the next one up there. And that is how to create discussions.